Are you looking for a vegetarian fish curry? Then this is it. Just kidding. Here I am using ivy gourd or koveka to make this curry, and which tastes exactly like the fish curry. I love to make the fish curry in a clay pot. So heat coconut oil, add 1 teaspoon mustard seed and half teaspoon fenugreek seed. Let it splatter and then add the curry leaves. Next I am adding crushed ginger and garlic, 1 teaspoon ginger and 2 teaspoon garlic. Saute it for a few seconds and then add 1/4 cup of shallots. Saute all the ingredients till the raw smell goes away. Now add 3 to 4 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, or if you like a spicy curry then add the normal chili powder, and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Again saute it for a few more seconds till the raw smell goes. You can add either Kashmiri chili powder or the normal chili powder. I am not a spicy person, so I am adding Kashmiri chili powder and adding extra 1 teaspoon. I find it is not that spicy. Saute these in low flame, otherwise the spices will burn. Now it's getting ready. Now add 3-4 pieces of kogum or kudambuli, which is soaked in water. Add few more curry leaves, which will give an extra kick to the curry. Now add the chopped ivy gourd. Here I am using 250 gram ivy gourd. Stir and make sure it is well combined. After a few seconds of stirring, add 2 to 2.5 cup of water. Stir again and now close the lid and let it boil. Stir again and close the lid. You have to do this few more times till the ivy gourd is soft and cooked. See, it's cooked and the oil is floating on top. You can add few more crushed curry leaves, which will give an extra taste, and add 1 teaspoon of raw coconut oil. Cover it with the lid and switch off the flame. We are done. Our no-fish fish curry is ready now. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.